To add a gift card in Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Once there, log into your account using your email and password. After accessing your account dashboard, go to the website where you want to add the gift card. From the dashboard, select the Pages option, and then click on the Store page if you don't have one. You'll need to create it. In the Store page, you'll see various style options and possibly some products that have already been added. Look for the plus sign. Click on it, and then select Gift Card from the available options, which include physical product, service, download, video, and more. After selecting Gift Card, you'll need to enter the details, such as images, inventory, and the value of the gift card. You'll also have the option to use various selling tools and marketing features. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Save. You can also choose to publish or schedule the gift card for later. After saving, the gift card will be visible on your store page. The process involves standard product setup steps, including organization, selling tools, and marketing options.